In this video, I am going to show you how to fix your graphics processor is incompatible Photoshop. So just search if it's your video card is for NVIDIA, and just if you are AMD, just go to the drivers of AMD and search your video card there. What we're gonna do is to find your video card and update it or download it, because maybe it's outdated, or it was never been downloaded. So you just have to search your graphics card. For example, if this is your video card, just press find and then just download it. As you can see, you just have to click view, and then you can see download. So once you download that, it will automatically update and download your driver. In our second method, it's just to navigate your driver. So let's go and just click your device manager, and you have to go to your display adapters and just update your driver and just search automatically your driver. And once it's done, make sure your Windows is up to date. And our third method is just to go to your display settings, and just have to search it. And as you can see, graphic settings, you must click graphic settings. Once you click that, just browse Adobe Photoshop. As you can see in my screen, you just have to browse your application in Photoshop. In mine is just in local E and Photoshop, and then you can see application Photoshop. Just click that. Once you've added, just go to options and click high performance and save.